So here is the comparison between Webflow, WordPress, and Wix. You can click on the links down in the description if you want to try out Webflow, WordPress, or Wix for your site. Webflow is known for its modern design tools and developer-level flexibility without requiring deep coding knowledge. It's great for designers or agencies who want pixel-perfect control and clean, responsive websites. It also includes CMS features, animations, and advanced layout options built right in. The learning curve is a bit higher than Wix, and it can feel complex for beginners, but it's perfect if you want high-end design freedom. These are the pricing plans for the platform. You can choose a general plan or an e-commerce plan. WordPress, on the other hand, is the most flexible and powerful platform overall. It's open source and supports everything from blogs to large e-commerce stores. With thousands of themes and plugins, you can build any kind of site, especially if you use builders like Elementor or WooCommerce. It's great for long-term scalability and full ownership, but it does require you to manage hosting, updates, and security, unless you go with a managed WordPress host. These are the pricing plans for WordPress. You can choose a personal plan or a premium, business, commerce, or enterprise plan. Lastly, we have Wix. Wix is the easiest to use, with a true drag-and-drop interface and ready-made templates for almost any industry. It's ideal for beginners or small business owners who want to get online fast without touching any code. It handles everything from hosting to security, and even has built-in tools for blogging, bookings, and e-commerce, though it can be limited in flexibility compared to WordPress or Webflow. Here are the pricing plans for Wix. All their plans include custom domain, reliable web hosting, AI creation tools, and 24/7 customer care. So, if you are a beginner or want full creative control with modern tools, Webflow is your best bet. If you want maximum flexibility and don't mind managing a few things yourself, go with WordPress. But if you want a super simple, all-in-one builder to launch a website quickly, Wix is the way to go.